There are so many new LinkedIn features that are popping up that it's very exciting this 2022. You know what I've just discovered is that when you look at a post and there are hashtags in it, you hover over the hashtag, an inspirational quote pops up. Let me share my screen and show you how it works. So if I share my screen here, okay, so here's a post that I released this morning on live audio because LinkedIn is releasing the new live audio feature. Look here, if I hover over live audio, look what pops up. A nice quote, and then it fetches how many people are following that particular hashtag. So if I go to audio, look again, there's an inspirational quote, and then it gives you another one. And this one has more followers. What about if we go to social audio down here? And you'll find there are 66 followers. And what about career coach fetching? And there are 11,000 followers. What about digital marketing? I bet that's a lot more there. Oh no, digital marketing only has 1,968. But while I'm here, Beth Granger hosted a LinkedIn Live beta test today, and I joined her, and it was fabulous. So many people hopped on and tested the platform. It's going to be exciting. So think of live audio and think of the new hashtags that now provide you with inspirational quotes and how many people actually follow those hashtags. So you can create a more effective hashtag strategy. That's all from me for now. So let's say bye until I notice another exciting LinkedIn feature that will help job seekers and also in your business too.